Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So tonight I went ahead and did something I should have done a long time ago. I moved all of my core wallets off of my main PC and put them on a secondary computer, one that I don't go on the internet with, something that I don't use for anything really at all. It's really my test bench. I've only used it a handful of times and it's just sitting here, so I threw a hard drive on it, loaded Windows, and I decided to use this for my core wallets, something that I don't do anything else with. This computer, I'm surfing the internet, I'm doing research, I'm doing my recordings, I'm playing games, I'm checking emails, any one of those things along the way. I could get a virus, I get some sort of malware, and potentially someone could get control of your computer and you could lose your wallets, or they could gain control and take everything you've got from them. So the idea is you want something that you're not using, and that's where your wallets should live. Now, you may be saying, I don't have an extra computer. What are you talking about? Well, I bet you if you go on eBay, I bet you can find a cheap old computer for 75 bucks or 100 bucks. And I know money doesn't grow on trees these days, but for peace of mind, for 75 bucks or 100 bucks, you format it, you throw a fresh copy of Windows on it, and away you go. You put your core wallets over there and you don't worry about it. Don't get on the internet with it. Don't do anything with it. Just simply keep it for the wallets. That's what I'm doing. That's what I did. I hope you take the advice, but let's go ahead. I'm going to move my Neoxa wallet over, and I'm just going to show you how I did that. Now, this is a core wallet. I have Neoxa, I have NyanCoin, and I have my Pulsar wallet. Now, it's worked for all three of these. I haven't tried it on other ones, so definitely if you want to try it on another one, test it first. Make sure you do a backup before you do anything. Make sure you have your password, seed phrases, and all of those things in case you do have a problem. Anyway, on these three wallets, it did work for me, so here we go on Neoxa. First thing you're going to do is just click on Wallet and click Backup Wallet. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the desktop, and we're going to call this one Test. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and we'll let that save itself, and there it is right there. So I can go ahead and close this. Now I'm going to go to the folder where I have my wallets installed. For you it could be different, but if you use the default options, it would be this PC, C drive, the user, username, app data, roaming, and we'll go back one to roaming. You can see Neoxa, NyanCoin, and my Pulsar wallet. We're going to go in Neoxa, and in here you see wallet. All we're going to do is just go ahead and rename this and call it old wallet. And then I'm going to take my test and drop it on in there. And this one, we're going to go ahead and rename this. And we'll call it wallet. And that should be it. When I start this back up, it should read that new file, which is the same file. And it should work just fine. If I had done anything wrong, it would have given me an error. So let's give that a shot. Like I said, I've done it only on these three wallets. So if you use it on a different wallet, use it at your own risk. And it's going to try to update. And as you can see, my balance is still there. It's seeing the new wallet DAT, and it's working fine. So all I did was just go ahead and load Neoxa and all of it over here. As a matter of fact, I used a little USB stick. I downloaded them all on this computer, and I took that USB stick and plugged it in over here for the simple fact I didn't even want to go to a website to download that stuff from. The only thing this goes on the internet for is to update the wallets, and that's it. It's as secure as you can get, I hope. Anyway, if the video helped, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you want to check out my video on what I have on MetaMask, if you ever lose any coins or tokens, this is a great way to find them and to restore them in your MetaMask account. That's going to be right up there. Of course, you want to subscribe to the channel, hit the button right over there. Don't forget, thumbs up. Appreciate y'all checking in, and I'll see you next time.